Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchapot, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste everyone, Lakshita here. Welcome to this week's collective guidance from Mokshapattam for November 17th to November 23rd, focusing on your health and well-being. This week, your energy may feel bright and dynamic. You might notice bursts of passion and enthusiasm, along with moments of restlessness or tension. Your vitality shines the most when it is balanced and mindful. Plane of Fire encourages you to channel your energy and creativity wisely without pushing yourself beyond your limits. Too much work can lead to fatigue, stress, or tension, especially around your throat, neck, and shoulders. Here are some simple ways to care for yourself this week. Take mindful breathing or short meditation breaks. Move your body gently, stretches, yoga, or light walks will help. Stay hydrated and nourish yourself with wholesome foods. Express your thoughts honestly through conversation or journaling to release mental strain. Use your energy constructively. Focus on creative or productive activities, but take small, consistent steps rather than overworking yourself. Affirmation for this week: I flow with calm energy, with vibrant health, and with balanced vitality. Stay mindful, nurture your energy, and embrace each day with clarity, vitality, and harmony. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for your relationship from November 17th to November 23rd, 2025 according to Mokshpat board. संबंधों को देखें तो इस सप्ताह आपके लिए सुझाव है कि आप अपने जीवन की व्यस्तता से थोड़ा समय निकालकर अपने परिवार और संबंधियों के साथ बिताएं. जीवन में हम कितनी भी ऊंचाई पर क्यों न पहुंच जाएं, कितनी भी सुख सुविधा के साधन क्यों न जुटा लें, यदि हमारे अपने हमारे साथ नहीं हैं, तो उन सुख सुविधाओं का कोई अर्थ नहीं है. मीनिंग: nurture your every relationship with kindness, love and affection. Always try to fulfill their needs and desires first. यदि आपस में सभी एक दूसरे के प्रति प्रेम और सम्मान का भाव रखते हैं, तो निश्चित ही संबंधों में प्रगाढ़ता आती है. एक दूसरे के प्रति अपने कर्तव्यों का भली भांति निर्वाह करें और जो भी अवरोध या प्रतिरोध जीवन में आते हैं, उन सभी का मिलजुल कर एकजुट होकर सामना करें. इससे परिवार की अखंडता और भी प्रबुद्ध होती है. परिवार के सभी सदस्य एक साथ बैठकर अपने विचार साझा करें. इससे सामने वाले व्यक्ति को ये ज्ञात होता है कि आप उसके प्रति क्या विचार रखते हैं. यदि आप इस प्रकार सद्भावना और सहिष्णुता भरा व्यवहार रखेंगे, तो निश्चित ही आप और आपके अपने असीम आनंद और हर्ष का अनुभव करेंगे. आप और आपके अपने सदैव आनंदित रहें, इसी कामना के साथ विदा लेती हूँ. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बाय.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. Guidance on spirituality for the week 17th November to 23rd November 2025. According to the Mokshpat board, you are on the right path as far as your spirituality is concerned till now. You have the right perspective as well as your self-evaluation is unbiased and you are on your spiritual journey. But if you are looking to enhance your spiritual journey and grow spiritually, the Mokshpat board says that you need to first identify, understand what your spiritual goals are, where do you want to reach spiritually, and then align your actions as well as your practices to meet those goals. Reflect on what changes need to be brought in your current practices and your actions. Another important aspect that the Mokshpat board points out in order for you to grow spiritually is to ensure that along with working on your spirituality, you are also enjoying life. Both these aspects, the balance between them is very important. You cannot neglect or abstain from enjoying life, because unless and until you are materialistically satisfied, you enjoy all the materialistic aspects of life, you will not be able to embark on the higher spiritual journey. So please maintain a balance between both and grow spiritually. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more. Light and Energy, Master Sonal Kapadia, your Mokshpat advisor and trainer.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the guidance for the week of 17th November to 23rd November 2025 in regard to business and profession. The reading comes on a negative box of ignorance. It cautions us about ignorance about professional networking and limited awareness of industry-specific skills, which might lead to losses in our business and profession. Sometimes there is lack of market research, limited awareness of customer behavior, and ignorance about industry innovations. To overcome all these shortcomings, the board guides us to acquire industrial knowledge, develop awareness of industry-specific skills, and increase knowledge of market trends and demands. To be more effective in our workplace, we need to develop awareness of customer behavior and stay informed about industry innovations too. The Mokshpata board guides us to align professional goals with values beyond image gratification and to practice discipline to stay focused on goals and targets. It would be wise to base decisions on strategic goals and not immediate desires. Now is the time to prioritize sustainable growth over short-term pleasures. To sum it up, we should set real-time career goals aligned with our skills and interest and balance planning and execution. It is important to stay grounded in reality while making professional decisions or setting goals. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa, your Mokshpata expert and guide with you in the Punch Portal program, bringing financial guidance from the Mokshpata board for the week of 17th November to 23rd November 2025. This week looks smooth and supportive for your financial journey. The board highlights that your way of expression will be the key to success. How you present your ideas, how clearly you share your vision, and how confidently you interact with open profitable doors. It is an excellent time to polish your art of conversation or even invest in training that enhances your ability to express, negotiate, and connect with the people. Marketing your product or service with clarity and charm will help you reach more clients. For those in the service industries, this week is especially rewarding. The ability to influence clients with a convincing approach and genuine words will boost financial growth. Similarly, people dealing with financial products like insurance or mutual funds can easily gain trust and guide clients towards the right investment choices. Even negotiations around money or business deals are likely to turn into your favor if you express your needs with openness and confidence. This is a time where your voice becomes your assets. The better you use it, the more rewarding the result will be. Overall, this week promises financial progress, profitable opportunities, and rewarding connections. Words have the power to open doors that money alone cannot. With abundance and blessings, have a great week ahead.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.